Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.1% in the last session. The CCI moved sharply into the negative area. Bitcoin has added 2.2% in the last session. The ROC has shifted sharply into the positive zone. The price of gold has fallen 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI collapsed into negative territory. The price of crude oil has stood still in the last session. The Williams indicator has collapsed into the oversold zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
U.S. stock investors have expressed concerns that President Trump's effort to contest the U.S. election without evidence could roil markets temporarily. The number of Bitcoin ATMs across the globe has surged amid a coronavirus-induced shift toward contactless payments. The Japanese yen continues to lose steam as the greenback gains momentum on the vaccine breakthrough.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Swiss PPI will be released at 5:30 GMT, the Eurozone's GDP at 800 GMT, the Eurozone's trade balance at 800 GMT, the Eurozone's employment change at 800 GMT, the US PPI at 11:30 GMT, and the U.S. Michigan consumer sentiment at 1300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.